Most people don't realize they're sabotaging their relationship by this one mistake. It's the 20% they think they're missing. The flirting, the attention, the excitement from another person, while neglecting the 80% that they need in their relationship. The loyalty, the trust, the respect, emotional support, and shared values. This is why a lot of relationships don't last. Because what happens is people get greedy. They begin to want what they feel they're missing. You know, the grass always looks greener on the other side, when in fact, the person that they're with, the relationship that they have is more genuine, is more quality, more sustainable, but they're going and chasing after an illusion of what they think they're missing. That 20% may look shiny and new, but it's actually lacking the quality and the longevity of true, genuine love. And here's the thing, what you actually crave in the 20% is often a temporary escape from doing the necessary work on the 80% that you have in your relationship. So you got to ask yourself, are you struggling in your relationship? Could it be that you feel like you're lacking something or you're missing something, and that causes you to look elsewhere? And what happens is you get caught up in focusing on what you lack instead of appreciating what the person in the relationship with you is actually bringing. And so when you begin to appreciate that person and respect them and cherish them for who they are, and knowing that really no one can replace their soul, no one can be who they are. And when you begin to appreciate them for who they are, it can create more love, more connection in the relationship, instead of just focusing on what they need to change and what's not right with them. Focus on what you do enjoy about them. Focus on the love, the respect, the honesty. This is how you hold on to the quality of your relationship, through appreciation, by letting them know you appreciate them, thanking them for all that they're doing, thanking them for being there with you through tough times, and for just connecting with you and being a supportive person in your life. Discontentment is a way of blinding us from what we already have in the relationship. The 80 versus 20% rule is all about you focusing on that 80%. The 80% of what you do enjoy and appreciate about that person, and not the 20% that looks flashy and exciting that you may find in another relationship. It's like walking away from a treasure full of gold just because you don't have the sterling silver over there, and that silver looks just as good, so I'm going to leave all of this gold to go get some silver. And then you find yourself in a position where you can never get that relationship back again. And I heard someone say this too before. It was actually a man, and he was talking about how he has so much regret because he walked away from the love of his life. At the time, he didn't realize how much he had an amazing woman. She was just a valuable woman. She loved him. She respected him. She was there for him. Beautiful woman. He started getting, prideful and arrogant, thinking, oh, I could find me another one and I'm going to go and see what's out there. And he said he regretted that decision. It really had an impact on his life because he never found a woman as amazing as the woman that he left. And you got to ask yourself, is it worth it? Is it worth just seeing what else is out there? Because you find yourself empty. You'll find yourself broken. You'll find yourself in a position where you have nothing and no one. And the one that you did wrong and the one that you walked away from was that prize that was supposed to be the blessing of your life. But instead, you changed and turned your ways to go seek after something, that 20%, that little bit that you thought you may have found in someone else, and you lost your prized possession, your prized joy. You lost it because you was out here seeking something and you was discontent with what you really had. So just think about it. This may blow your mind, but the person that you are going after with that 20%, right? Leaving the 80% of the quality, wonderful, beautiful relationship, that person that you're seeking after, that you think you need, that may be the 20%. And you got to ask yourself, what am I giving up because I'm discontent, because I feel that I'm not satisfied? 20%, it doesn't compare when you have a partner who is emotionally, spiritually, mentally supportive, who is there for you, who have been there through thick and thin. It's not worth it. It's not worth walking away from just to chase an illusion of something that is exciting. It's just not worth it. It may surprise you, but people have ruined their marriages over a feeling, over an illusion of excitement. They walked away from values, from family, from a deep connection and purpose and a quality relationship just to chase after something that seemed exciting. And it was all deception, because in the end, they're left empty. Don't be that person that chased that 20%, leaving you feeling broken, leaving you feeling like you regret something in your life that you could have had. But instead, be grateful, be thankful for what you have, appreciate the love of your life, and know that you can continue to thrive in your relationship when you appreciate the person that you're with. If you have any questions, you have some relationship questions, you want me to give you some advice, go ahead and contact me at RainieHoward.com. And if you enjoy this message, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next episode.